Dear student, in this video, we are going to complete the following table. This table consists of cost price, selling price, profit and loss. So student, first of all, I will clear the concept of profit and loss. So student, first of all, the thing we purchase at any rate, that is called its cost price. So take example, if I bought any article for rupees 100, then I purchase an article for how much rupees? Rupees 100. Okay. Now after that, when I go somewhere and my friend asks me that please give me this article, so I will say him that I will give you this article for rupees 150. Okay, so if I sold this article at rupees 150, so you can see this is rupees 150 that I will sold this article, and this is rupees 100 at which I have purchased this article. So my selling price is called selling price is rupees 150 and my cost price is rupees 100 only. So if the selling price is more than the cost price, it is called SP in the short form, and cost price is called CP in the short form. Okay, so you may see that if the selling price is more than cost price, then I will get profit. Okay, so profit, in case of profit, selling price is always greater than cost price, and if there is loss, then selling cost price is greater than selling price. Okay student, both the profit and loss can be find out by subtracting the lower one from the greater one. Okay student, now you see that selling price is 150 and cost price is 100 rupees. So how will I find what will the case is there? Selling price is more than cost price, therefore there is a profit. So profit, how will I find the profit? I will subtract rupees 100 from rupees 150. So my answer is rupees 50. Okay student, in this way you can find the loss also. Let us suppose if you have to sold this item that was costing rupees 100 to your any other friend at rupees 80. Okay, then in this case you will get loss. Okay, how much loss you will have to bear? You will have to bear the loss of their subtraction, 100 minus 80, because there is cost price is greater than selling price, therefore this is a loss. So what is the answer? The loss is rupees 120. So student, these were the two examples. The first case was of profit and the second case was of loss. Now this is the concept I have taught you in this video. After that, the turn is of this table. Here you can see the first one is there, rupees 58. What is this? Show from close. Cost price. Okay, and what is the profit? Rupees 110. 8. So what will be the selling price? Selling price will be more in the case of profit. You see, selling price will be more than CP in case of profit. Okay, so in order to get more amount, we will have to add 58 plus 8. So if I add 58 plus 8, then what will I get? 66. So the answer is 66. Okay student, now we are on the second part. This is cost price. Cost price is rupees 85 and here the loss is rupees 11. if they are in the case of loss, which price will be greater? Cost price will be greater or selling price will be greater? So here in the case of loss, cost price will be greater. So I will make the cost price greater but selling price will less. Okay, so how will I make the selling price less? By subtracting 11 from 85. So the answer is 74. So the answer is rupees 74. Okay student, now you can see here I have subtract. Now in the C part, here rupees 480 is cost price and profit is rupees 75. Now what will be the selling price? In case of profit, selling price is greater. Okay, so how we will make the selling price greater? By adding this profit to the cost price. Okay, so I am going to add here 480 plus 75. Now 5 and 1 and 5. Okay, 5 and 5. So my answer is rupees 555. Okay student, clear? Now the part D, rupees 1200 and the loss is rupees 195. If the loss is there, then what will happen? In the case of loss, cost price is greater and as selling price is smaller. So how we will make the selling price smaller? To reduce 195 from 1200. So I will subtract 195 from 1200. So 5001. So what is my answer? Rupees 1005. Okay student, you understand? Now we are on the E part. What is the E part? So rupees 4250 is the cost price and what is the profit? Rupees 300. Now in this case the profit is there. When the profit is there, then SP is greater than CP, and in order to make SP greater than CP, what will we have to do? We will have to make addition or subtraction. We will have to make addition. Okay, so addition, I will add 4250 with 300. Okay, so you may see that this is my answer. So rupees 4550, this is my answer. Okay, you can see I have completed the table which was given as per the clarity of the concept. So student, in this video you have learnt the basic concept of profit and loss and how to complete the given information that was incomplete. So all the fill-ups which were required has been completed in the blue ink here and the question part was in the black ink. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the concept here. Now student, I may clear you that this is the lower part is just the concept and this part is just the rough work for the done of addition of and subtraction, and the table is there which was asked to complete. So I hope you have understand this value videos and concept, and if you like this video then please subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke.